Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we have to discuss about NPTEL problem solving through programming in C, week 6, assignment 6, solutions. The due date for this assignment is 7/9/2022. So tomorrow is the last date for submitting week 6 assignment 6. The first bit is what is the right way to initialize an array in C? The syntax is data type, array name, size of the array is equal to within the braces we have to give the elements by considering the size of the array. So according to the syntax, data type is int, array name is ARR, size of the array is mentioned in the square bracket is equal to within the braces 5 values are separated by the comma. So 1, 2, 5, 6, 9. Size of the array is 5. 5 elements are separated by comma within the braces. So data type, array name, size of the array, the values are separated by the comma within the braces. So according to the syntax, option B is the correct answer. Next, second bit is an integer array of dimension 10 is declared in a C program. That means we can take an integer array that array size is 10. The memory location of the first byte of the array is 1000. That means the first element address of the array is 1000. What will be the location of the ninth element of the array? Assume integer takes 4 bytes of memory and the element stored at 1000 is identified as first element. So here generally array index starts with 0 and ends with n minus 1. Here n value is equal to 10. That means 0 to n minus 1. That means 0 to 9. Array index starts with 0 and ends with 9. Total 10 array elements are there. But here the first element can be taken. The first element is stored at the address 1000. We are finding out the ninth element of the array address. So that means ninth element means in the array we have to find out the address of the 8th element. Okay, so that means the address of the ninth element is equal to base address plus 8th element into size of the each integer is 4 bytes. 1000 plus 8 into 4, that is 32. 1000 plus 32 is equal to 1032. So answer is option B. Okay, base address is 1000 plus size of the integer is 4 bytes, and which elements we have to find out the address? That is ninth element is nothing but 8th element. So 1000 plus 8 into 4, that is equal to 32. 1000 plus 32 is 1032. Next, third bit, what will be the output after execution of the program? In the main function, int I comma a of 4 is equal to 3 comma 1 comma 2 comma 4. So we are taking an integer array with the array size is 4. It contains the elements 3, 1, 2 and 4. Next, variable I is declared as integer and variable result can be declared as integer. Initially, result is equal to a of 0. Okay, what is a of 0 element? that is 3. So initially result is equal to 3. Because A of 0 element is 3, so 3 can be assigned to the result. Next, for loop for I is equal to 1. So I less than 4. So I value is 1. So 1 less than 4. Condition true. If this condition is true, the control goes to the body of the for loop and execute the statements within the body of the for loop. If result less than A of I. What is result value? Result value is first element of the array, that is 3. 3 less than A of I. So I value is 1. So A of 1 value is nothing but 1. Okay. 3 less than 1. 3 less than 1 condition false. If this condition is false, the control goes to the next statement after the if block. Within the if block only one statement is there, that is the continue statement. When the condition is true, so the statement within the if block that is executed, but the condition is false, then control goes to the next statement after the if block. Result is equal to A of I. So I value 1, A of 1 value is 1. So 1 can be assigned to the result. So therefore result value now 1. Previously it is 3. Now it becomes 1. Okay. After that again control goes to the for loop and I value is incremented. Now I value is 2. So I less than 4. That means 2 less than 4. Condition true. If this condition is true, the control goes to the body of the for loop. If result less than A of 2, result value is 1. A of 2 means that is 2. So result value is 1. A of I value is 2. So that means I value 2. So A of 2 value is also 2. That means 1 less than 2. Condition true. If this condition is true, then the control goes to the body of the if block and execute the statement continue. So whenever continue statement is executed, again control goes to the for loop, then I value is incremented. Now I value becomes 3. So I less than 4, that means 3 less than 4, condition true. If this condition is true, then the control goes to the body of the for loop and execute the if statement. If result less than A of I, so result value is 1 and A of 3 value is nothing but 4. Okay. So 1 less than 4, condition true. If this condition is true, the control goes to the if block and execute the statement continue. Okay. So again control goes to the for loop, then I value is incremented. Now I value is 4. 4 less than 4, condition false. Okay. If this condition is false, then the control goes to the next statement after the for loop, printf %d result. So what is the result value? Result value is 1. Okay. So answer is option A. Next one. Fourth bit. Which of the statements are correct? Option A, an array may contain more than one element. So an array may contain more than one element. That is a true statement. Option B, all elements of the array have to be of same data type. It is also correct because an array is a homogeneous data type. Okay. An array is a collection of homogeneous data type elements. So that option B is also correct. Third one, the size of the array has to be declared upfront. So in the C program, we have to mention the size of the array whenever we are writing the program. So option A is correct, option B is correct, option C is also correct. So then answer is all of the above. So option D is the answer. An array may contain more than one element. All the elements of the array have the same data type, and the size of the array can be declared before during the writing of the program. Next, fifth bit. What actually get passed when you pass an array as an argument to a function? So value of elements in an array, first element of the array, base address of the array, address of the last element of the array. When we are passing an array as argument to a function, we have to pass the first element address, that means base address. We have to pass the base address of the array as an argument to a function. Answer is option C. Next one. Find the output of the following C program. So in the main program, so variable A can be declared as integer. Next one, we have to declare an array with the array size is 5. So array data type is integer. So that array can be initialized with 5 elements that are separated with commas. 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. Next one, array of 1 is equal to plus plus array of 1. So array of 0 contains element 1, array of 1 contains 2, array of 2 contains 3, array of 3 contains 4, array of 4 contains 5. ARR of 0 contains 1, ARR of 1 contains 2, ARR of 2 contains 3, ARR of 3 contains 4, ARR of 4 contains 5. Next, ARR of 1. ARR of 1 means, so that is 2. 2 plus plus 2, that means pre-incrementing the value. Plus plus 2 is nothing but 3. Okay, so 3 can be assigned to ARR of 1. Okay, now ARR of 1 becomes 3. Next one, A is equal to ARR of 1 plus plus. So that means in the previous step, ARR of 1 contains the value 3. Now 3 can be, ARR of 1 contains the value, now it is a 3. 3 can be initialized to the variable on the left hand side. So now A is equal to 3. So after that, ARR of 1 value can be incremented. Okay, next one. Next statement is ARR of 1 is equal to ARR of A plus plus. So here A value is 3. Okay, so 3 plus plus. 3 plus plus is nothing but, so first it can be taken the value 3. So ARR of 3. ARR of 3 value is nothing but 4. 4 can be assigned to ARR of 1. Okay. After assigning A value can be incremented. Now A value is 4. ARR of 1 value is also 4. So answer is option C, 4 comma 4. So here this total program is dependent on pre-increment and post-increment. In the case of pre-increment, first we have to increment the value. After that, the incremented value can be assigned to the variable on the left hand side. In the case of post-increment, first we are assigning the value of a variable to the variable on the left hand side. After that, that value can be incremented. So these two steps are very important, so while solving this type of problems. Okay, next one. What will be the output? 7th bit. In the main function, int p, variable p can be declared as integer variable, and we have to declare an integer array, that is ARR, with array size 10. So the 10 elements are initialized with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 10. Here array size is 10, but number of elements in the array are only 8. The remaining elements are filled with zeros. Okay. Next one. P is equal to ARR plus 1. So that means ARR of 1. What is the ARR of 1? ARR of 1 value is so here the elements can be fifth element ARR plus 1 of 5. First, I am taking the ARR of 5 element. ARR of 5 element is so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. ARR of 5 value is this one. After that, we are incrementing the address by 1. So that means ARR of 6. Here ARR plus 1 plus 5. So that means total ARR of 6. ARR of 6 value means this is ARR of 0, ARR of 1, ARR of 2, ARR of 3, ARR of 4, ARR of 5, ARR of 6. So answer is option C, 9. Okay. So here P is equal to ARR plus 1 of 5. Okay. So ARR contains the 0th element address. Okay. So that is 0. 0 plus 1. So that is 1. 1 plus 5. That is a 6. So total ARR of 6th element is printed. That is option C, 9. Next, 8th bit, an array of the void data type, option A, can store any data type. This is false. Void data type does not store any element. So this is false. Option B, only stores element of similar data type to first element. So void data type does not store any element. So this is also false. Option C, acquires the data type with the highest precision in it. So this is also false. Option D, it is not possible have an array of void data type. So answer is option D. So void data type is an empty data type. So that data type cannot use before the array name while declaring the array. So answer is option D. Next one, 9th bit. What will be the output of the following program? So in the main program, variable n can be initialized with 3. Next, variable sum can be initialized with 4. So variable sum can be declared as integer variable. Variable n can be declared as integer variable. Both declaration and initialization can be done on the same step. Next one, switch of n. What is n value? That is 3. Switch of 3. Switch of 3 means it can check the which case we have to match. So n value is 3 means so case 3 is executed. So that means sum is equal to sum into 5. Okay. Sum into equal to 5 means this statement is sum is equal to sum into 5. Okay. Initially sum value is 4. So 4 into 5. Sum is equal to sum into 5. Sum value 4. 4 is multiplied with 5, that is 20. So after executing this statement, again break is there. So whenever the break statement is encountered, then the program control can be through from the switch case. So program control can be transferred to the statement out of the switch statement. After the switch statement, whatever the statement is there, the program control can goes to that statement. Printf percentage d sum. Now sum value is 20. So 20 is printed. Next one. 10th bit, how many A's will be printed when the following code is executed? So in the main function, variable I can be declared as an integer variable that can be initialized with 0. Next, variable C can be declared as character variable that can be initialized with character A. Next one, while I less than 5, I value is 0. So while 0 less than 5, condition true. If this condition is true, then the control goes to the body of the while loop and incrementing the I value. Now I value is 1. Next one, switch of C. So C contains character A. That means switch of A. So it can match with which case? Case A. Okay, here C contains character A. Character A is matched with case A. Okay, whenever it is matched, the statements within the particular case is executed. Printf percentage d C. So what is the value is there in variable C? A is there. A is printed. After that, break statement is encountered. First time A is printed. After that, break statement is encountered. The program can goes to the next statement after the switch case. After the switch case, there are no statements are there. Again, control goes to the while loop and check the condition again once. Now, I value is 1. So in the previous iteration, I value is 1. Now we have to check the condition with a new I value. So while I less than 5, that means 1 less than 5, condition true. If this condition is true, then the control goes to the while loop and incrementing the I value. Now I value is 2. Switch of C. So that means C contains variable character A, switch of A. So case A is executed. In that one, printf percentage d C. So that is second time A is printed. After that, break statement is encountered. The program can goes to the statement after the switch case. There are no statements are there. So again, control goes to the while loop. Now I value is 2. Now A is printed up to now 2 times. Okay. Now I value is 2. 2 less than 5, condition true. If this condition is true, then the control goes to the body of the while loop. I plus plus. Now I value becomes 3. Next, switch of C. So C contains character A. So case A is executed. Printf percentage d C, percentage d C, double quotes and C. So A is printed third time. After that, break statement is encountered, then the control goes to the next statement after the switch case. Again, control goes to the while loop. Up to now, A is printed 3 times. Okay. Now, why we have to check the condition again? While I less than 5, now I value becomes 3. 3 less than 5, condition true. The control goes to the body of the while loop and execute the this statement. I plus plus, now I value 4. Switch of C. C contains character A. Switch of A. Case A is executed. Then printf percentage d double quotes and C. So now, so A is printed fourth time. Okay. Then break statement is encountered. So the program control can goes to the next statement after the switch case. Again, control goes to the while loop. Up to now, A is printed 4 times. While I less than 5, now I value 4, 4 less than 5, condition true. The control goes to the body of the while loop. I plus plus, now I value becomes 5. Switch of C, that means switch off A because C contains the character A. Next, case A is executed. In that one, printf percentage %dc double quotes and C. So C contains variable A. So A is printed up to now 5 times. After that break statement is encountered, the program control goes to the next statement. After the switch case, there are no statements are there. Again control goes to the while loop. Again while I less than 5. Up to now A is printed 5 times. Okay, I value 5, 5 less than 5. Condition false. The control goes to the next statement after the while loop. So after the while loop, this statement is there, printf A. So up to now A is printed 5 times. So once the condition is failed at the while loop, the control goes to the next statement after the while loop. Again A is printed one more time. So total 5 plus 1, that is 6 times it is printed. So answer is 6. So once again we have to check the answers. First bit option B, second bit option B, third bit option A, fourth bit option D, fifth bit option C, sixth bit option C, seventh bit option C, eighth bit option D, ninth bit 20, 10th bit 6. These are the assignment 6 and week 6 answers. So then we have to submit the answers. So thank you for taking the week 6 assignment. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. I hope all of you understanding my explanation. So thank you. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please click on the like button and share this video to your friends and classmates. If you really understanding this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel Divvela Srinivasa for future updates in my YouTube channel for coming assignments. So please subscribe my YouTube channel. After subscribing my YouTube channel, click on the bells icon to get the future updates in my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Divvela Srinivasa. Thank you. Thank you one and all for watching this video. If you have any doubts, please put your doubts in the comment section. I will try to clarify your doubts. Thank you. Thank you one and all for watching this video.